what is the nominal return and what is real return? Do you mean that my return is not real? And I can tell you a lot of financial advisors don't like telling their client what is nominal return, and some of them don't even know what nominal return means. Today I'm using the information from a textbook that life insurance agents have to study in Canada in order to obtain the license. On page 27, nominal return is mentioned. It says that real return is calculated as the nominal return on an investment minus rate of inflation. If the annual nominal return on a Canada premium bond is 2% and your annual inflation rate is 1.2, then you're really not making 2%. You're only making 2 minus 1.2%, which is 0.8%. This is usually how I explain to my clients. I go to the Bank of Canada's website's inflation calculator, and you can actually see the range of years inflation. For example, I want to find out what the inflation is in the past 20 years. Okay, we're not using 1980s when inflation was super high, just in the past 20 years. Okay, and I hit calculate. What it says is that a basket of goods that the Bank of Canada has been keeping track of that would cost $100 back in the year 2000 would cost, in today's money, $143.41. And in average, inflation has gone up by 1.82% per year in the past 20 years. So if you go to one of the largest banks in Canada, TD Bank, and let's take a look at what they have to offer in the non-cashable GIC category. And if you take your money and lock it in for 5 years, let's take a look. The best they can give you is 1%, really. Go to a smaller bank, which is owned by Bank of Nova Scotia, Tangerine, and they can offer you a 5-year GIC for 1.5%. Let's just say today, in 2019, you go to your bank and your bank says, well, Mr. Client, you have $100. We can offer you a 1.5% GIC. Great. Let's open the account, log it in for 5 years. However, according to Bank of Canada statistics, a basket of goods, inflation is 1.82%. So let's just take a look at how it goes. Okay, so in 2019, your $100 is able to purchase $100 of goods and services, wine, whatever it is you like to buy, bread, banana, apple, whole bunch of stuff. But in 2020, things has changed a little bit. Food no longer costs as much as 2019, and in fact, it has actually gone up by not that much, $101.82. But how much do you have in your bank account? Well, since it's guaranteed, we know that you can expect $101.50. Can you use the same money to buy the same good? The answer is no. In reality, you can see that the money amount, the dollar amount that you have is going up, but the value is actually going down. That's why you should really look at your real return, not your nominal return. So next time you go to the bank and they say, oh, Mr. Client will give you 1%, 1.5%, even 2% rate of return, in reality, you're actually not making as much as 2% as you think. That's why you should educate yourself and know really what you are actually making, and do not look at the dollar amount, look at the value of your money.